Good morning, I'm Hardik Kapoor from Hardi's Car Show, and today I will give you the review of the all-new Volvo XC40. So this is the R design variant, and you get this car in only one variant, which is the R design variant. So you get black finish instead of chrome. These are the Thor Zimmer LED lights with adaptive technology. In the side, you get 18-inch alloy wheels, and as it is the R design variant, you get color combination. You can see R design batch. In the rear, you get LED Volvo's typical tail lights. This is a 505-liter boot with a space saver spare tire, and this is for locking in the boot, and this is for closing the boot. It's automatic. You can see you get T4 engine, 4-cylinder. Now I will tell you about the car from inside. Sorry. So there is lot much to tell you about in the interior. First of all, you get this 9-inch vertical touchscreen, which you get in now all Volvo cars. You get automatic parking brake. You get smartphone touchpad, automatic smartphone charging. You get Harman Kardon 850-watt sound speakers. You get digital display from which you can see the menu and all things. And let me show you the vertical touchscreen. So in this you get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you get some techful features also like semi-autonomous driving, radar sensing, automatic parking, traction control, hill descent control, and lot more. You also get an ashtray. This is for some keeping things, and the car is nice. And you also get this plastic texture finish. It's a very youthful design. You also get orange color carpeting instead of standard black or beige. Instead of that, you get this panoramic sunroof, which adds airiness to the car. And this is a full loaded touchscreen. You also get heated seats for all 4 seats and 2-zone climate control. You do not get any touchpad. You also get navigation system, Bluetooth connectivity, and lot more. Now I will tell you about the car from rear. So in the rear you get 2 AC vents, USB-C port instead of USB, 1 USB port in the front, heated seats, and nice legroom. But you feel claustrophobic because of this high window line, but panoramic sunroof compensates with that. Touch lights, and you also get paddle shifters, start stop button in the car. Now I will tell you about the engine of this new Volvo XC40. Talk about the engine. This car gets a D4 4-cylinder engine, and it's a 2-liter engine which produces 190 bhp of power and 400 Newton meters of torque. So if you compare this car with other cars in the segment, this is the most advanced car ever built, and all other cars are outdated. This is the refresh car, and this is the most advanced car. Like you get semi-autonomous driving features. You also get reverse camera. So these are some new first-in-class features. So I like the car. And if you talk about the price of the car, this car is for 39.9 lakhs ex-showroom and goes till like 47 lakhs on road. So I like the car. Tell me in the comment section how is the car, and please subscribe me on YouTube. Thank you guys.